फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप आप सब अच्छे हैं और अपना अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल भी रख रहे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैंने सोचा आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू, मैं इनके स्टडी टेबल से जस्ट आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू इट, सो आई फाउंड हिज नोटबुक विच मैं हमेशा देखती थी कि ये बैठा बैठा लाइक ही इज वेरी गुड इन रीडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। सो व्हाट ही डज इट लाइक ही कीप रीडिंग, he has a very good reading habit, so he keep reading and he has, मैंने इसको हमेशा बोला हुआ है कि जब भी लाइक आपको कुछ समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है, समथिंग नॉलेजेबल लगता है, जॉट इट डाउन, because being a child, being a student, this activity, this habit should be inculcated in your child, because it's a very good habit. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि we tend to forget things, but this will not get rubbed, right? So whatever we jotted down, it is always there in the book, and whenever we need it, we can always go through with it, correct? So मैंने just ऐसे देखा, so I was like, I was really amused यार। मैं जैसे काफ़ी सारे जनरल नॉलेज cater करके रखे हुए हैं। I was like, wow, very good यार। Then I just had a word with him. So he just said, Mama, I have catered this many knowledges, so why not we share it with our friends also? Very like I cannot go to each and every of my friends and share this, right? So Mama, how you share your recipes and how you share your things, you talk to people like this, so why not even I can share my knowledge, what I have catered so far in this summer season, in this vacation time. So I was like, why not? It's a very good idea. So let's do it. So I just thought कि Tanish, this is something like he has a very good habit of reading. So who used to give you books and all together? What kind of books you were reading? Who gave you these books and all?
My master gave me some books, story books and.
Oh yes, correct. Masi is there. Whenever she comes or whenever he goes to visit her place, she always used to hand over one book to me. So very, even she has a habit of reading, so she always used to give. Even his Masa, even he is like very fond of reading things and to know new things. So I'll not waste so much of time and so much of pa. So what I'll do, let's start with the things what he has catered. These are a general knowledge questions which even I went through. And I was like really shocked. मतलब मैंने भी सब देखे, मैंने पढ़े, I like इसमें से कितनी सारी चीज़ें तो मुझे भी पता नहीं है, या मैंने भी चाइल्डहुड में मैंने पढ़ी होगी, मे बी लाइक it is washed because it was not always what you say repetitive नहीं था मेरे डे टू डे लाइफ में. So I was like tend to forget. और अभी हमको ये सब लिंक अप करना पड़ता है because अभी हमारे बच्चे जो है वो पढ़ रहे हैं, correct? So they are into a growing mode. So their knowledge also has to be upgraded day by day. I think you are with me, right, in this? Okay. So let's start with it. These are some general questions like GK. It's a GK questions. Maybe like I just मैं कुछ set of questions पूछूंगी आपको. Maybe आप like you can jot it down. आप लिख के रख सकते हैं कहीं पे. And मैं आपको उसके आंसर्स भी बताऊंगी. So afterward you can what you say revise, or you can get to know, you can tell your children about it, right? So let's start, Tanish. What is this like you have done? So I so really was very happy to see this. Seriously, very good work he has done. Okay, so first question you want to ask or I'll ask?
I'll ask.
Okay, go ahead.
So which is the largest sea creature in the world?
So he's saying that which is the largest sea creature in the world? Largest sea creature in the world. Any guesses? Yes, it's blue whale. It's blue whale. So which is the largest sea creature in the world? It is blue whale. Good one, yeah, seriously. So the next question is, which animal dies after drinking water? Who dies after drinking water? But yes, there is one animal who dies after drinking water. That is kangaroo rat, right? The answer is kangaroo rat. He will, till the time he is not drank water, he is alive. The moment he drinks water, he dies. Good one, right? Yes. So the third question, which two sea creatures blood is blue? The sea creatures we know, right, who lives in the water, जो पानी में रहते हैं, वो कौन से दो क्रीचर है जिनका ब्लड रेड नहीं है, ब्लू है? कौन है? एनी गेसेस? Danish?
It's octopus and a lobster.
It's octopus and lobster. So now we know it, right? Okay. So now we'll go to the fourth question. That is, which is the smallest bird? Now, which is the smallest bird now? Where you get all these things? So, which is the smallest bird? The smallest bird is
Hummingbird.
hummingbird.
And did you know that the hummingbird is so small that it can even fit in a flower?
Is it? Wow, that's a very good information, right? So hummingbird fits in any flower. It's a bird, so it fits in the flower. Good one, yeah? Okay, the fifth question is, which is the largest flower in the world? Largest flower in the world. So which is the largest flower in the world?
It's called Rafflesia and it is even bigger than a hand.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, so it is Rafflesia. Rafflesia. It is even bigger than a hand. Oh my goodness, such a big flower. I should go to see. Please take me up. Okay, so how many weeks are there in a year? This anybody would know, right? If I'm not wrong. Which is how many weeks are there in a year? 52. 52 weeks are there in a year. Good. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? So which country is known as the land of rising sun? So which country is that? Which country? Any guesses? Japan. It's Japan. Wow. Which is the continent? Which continent is known as the dark continent? Which continent is known as the dark continent? Which continent? You have only written what you're thinking so much. It's Africa. It's Africa. Correct. So, and one. Now this was 8 questions I have shared already. Correct. Now the question is 10th question. Okay. This is the 9th question. 8th I have already shared. This is the 9th question, which even I found it very informative. Who started Ganesh festival in Mumbai? Who started Ganpati festival in Mumbai? Who? The answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He started this festival in the year 1893. He was the first person to start this festival in Mumbai. So now we know it, right? Good. So it was in the year 1893. Okay. So now the 10th question. Subhash Chandra Bose became the Supreme Commander of Indian National Army. When? Which year did he became? He became a Supreme Commander of Indian National Army. Why was it formed? It was been formed to fight against the British government. So it was done. The answer is 1943. 1943. The answer is 1943. Please write it down. It's very informative. And children, if you are watching this video, this will be needed. Please upgrade your general knowledge. This is actually you never know. It can help you in any ways in your future. Okay. Then, to whom Gandhiji gave the title of Deen Bandhu? To whom Gandhiji gave the title of Deen Bandhu? Yes, Babu. Oh, he also wants to show his drawing. Good one. Very good. See? His time pass is going
This
on.
is Mama's birthday.
It's Mama's birthday when?
Mama didn't got surprise.
Oh, thank you, baby. Okay, so you know to whom Gandhiji gave the title of Deen Bandhu? It was C.F. Andrews. C.F. Andrews was a very close friend of Mahatma Gandhi and Sri Rabindranath Tagore. And he was a priest of a church. C.F. Andrews was the priest of the Church of England and a social reformer in India. Very informative, isn't it? And children who are growing into next standards will be needed. You know, these are the history, geography, science. You know, you should always keep your knowledge upgraded. And now the next question is, which acid is found in human stomach? You know which acid is found in human stomach? You know that our stomach is like, you know, is full of gas and acidic. So you know which acid is found in the human stomach? Why don't you only read it?
Hydrochloric acid.
It is hydrochloric acid. The answer is hydrochloric acid forms in human stomach. And the next question will go to, what is the method of growing plants without soil? We don't need soil, but the plant will grow. So we know which process is that. This is hydroponics. It's a hydroponic process. Good one, right? Okay, we'll go to the next question. The metal used with iron to make it rust free. Which is that metal which is required, you know, to make the metal which is used with iron to make it rust free? Rust free we know, right? Junk nahi khata. Correct? Rust free. So what is that? That is chromium. Chromium is, you know, when it is mixed with iron, it comes out with stainless steel. It becomes stainless steel. Very informative, no? So the next question is, which food crops has the maximum content of proteins? You know which food crop has the maximum contents of proteins? Soya bean. The answer is soya bean. So kids, please eat soya bean. It is very good for your health. It has maximum protein in it. Okay. So the next question will go to, why don't you read this question? You have only written, say.
Purification of water is done by which element?
So how does the water is being purified? What element is required to purify the water? Any guesses? Yes, it is chlorine. Chlorine. Okay. So chlorine is, the answer is chlorine. Chlorine is needed. That's the element which is needed to purify the water. Okay. So the next question will go to, which metal is extracted from seawater? Which metal is extracted from the seawater? Which one? The answer is magnesium. Yes. He'll keep showing what all he makes. Even he has to show, no, showcase. Okay. So it's a shooter. So we know now that which metal is extracted from seawater. That is magnesium. Right? Magnesium. What type of mirror is used in car headlights? Yes, this we should know. It's very important. What kind of mirror is used? What type of mirror is used in the car headlights? We all have a car. So when we have a headlight, so what kind of mirrors are used?
It's called concave mirrors.
Yes. Why?
Because it gives a clear visibility.
See, it's a concave mirror because it gives us a clear visibility. That is why that is used in our car headlights.
One more.
Yes. Bacha, you will have to show it at the end. Okay? Now the next question will go to, what type of mirror is used to see the traffic behind the car? What type of mirror is used to see the traffic behind the car? Any guesses?
It's called convex mirror.
Yes, it is convex mirror. Okay, it's a convex mirror. The last one. Onion is a modified form of what? The answer is stem. Onion is a modified form of a stem. You know that we have there are three types of stems, right? One is underground stem, the another one is aerial stem, and the third one is subaerial stem. Good. It was really very informative, right? Isn't it? So I hope you must have write down these. You have already written these questions with the answers. And if not, you can always see my video and you can get yourself upgraded. You can jot it down whenever you feel like, right? I will be coming with the next set of questions, with the next set of some questions like this only, which will be a kind of interesting kind of general knowledge, which will be based on the facts. Okay, so these are the things. I was really impressed by his work. He has done something, a very nice job, so which I felt like sharing with you friends. And maybe like you can show this video to your you can show this video to your children. Maybe they can sit and they can write down all this. You never know, whenever there is in every colleges now, in every schools now on, there is some kind of test comes on, general knowledge test, any kind of test comes, so it can help you. You never know. If you have seen a movie called Chalk and Duster, there's a movie called Chalk and Duster, right? Tanish really likes that movie a lot. That movie you must see, huh? In that movie, a teacher, which is, they are the old age teacher, they never knew that they have to go through with this kind of situation also. उन्हें कभी पता नहीं था कि उन्हें इस situation से भी गुजरना पड़ेगा, कि उन्हें कभी ये उम्र में कुछ मध्यम वर्ग, मतलब they were old age, मतलब काफ़ी like थोड़ी उम्र हो गए थे दोनों टीचर्स के, कि उनको किसी क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में उनको भाग लेना पड़ेगा. एंड जो उनको like उनका स्कूल का जो रेपुटेशन है, उनकी रेपुटेशन को वापस लाने के लिए उनको वो क्विज देना पड़ेगा. आप ये मूवी देखिएगा, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस मूवी. हम तो हाउ शी वॉज गेटिंग रिकलेक्टिंग, हाउ शी वॉज रिकलेक्टिंग, वो किस तरीके से अप्लाई कर रही थी, ये नॉलेज पता है. कहीं पे वो कार लेने को गई थी शोरूम में, तो वहाँ पे वो बताया कि शी हैज़ सीन इन सम काइंड ऑफ मैगजीन विच तब उसको पता चला कि सबसे पहले कार किसने बनाई थी. और हमको लगता है कि यार ठीक है ना, नहीं, बट these things are the thing. हमको नहीं पता चलता है कि कब हमको ये चीज़ें, ये जो ज्ञान है वो हमें काम आ जाए, कौन से मोड़ पे. करेक्ट. एंड आई बिलीव नॉलेज की कोई गेन करने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती है. हम कभी भी, कहीं भी, कैसे भी, किसी भी तरह से नॉलेज गेन करें, दैट इज ऑलवेज गुड फॉर अस ओनली. सो प्रॉब्ली लाइक आई विल नॉट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम गाइज. आप क्या कर सकते हो अभी, लाइक आज के लिए तो मैंने, so for now this much only, right Tanish? So we'll come up with our next set of questions in my next video with some really good, more good informations, right? So then what you can do, आप उसको रेफर कर सकते हो. So guys, if you really like my videos, do like it, share it and subscribe it. And आपको एक बेल आइकन भी होगा साइड में, आपको वो नोटिफिकेशन भी देगा मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियोस के लिए, तो आप उसको ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा. And whenever you guys are watching my videos, do like it. The more we share, the more we care. Correct? If we care of somebody, if we care for somebody, then only we will share it, right? Why to keep these knowledges within us only? Maybe like ये हम share जितना करेंगे उतना like our India will go on developing. Correct? So I will be really needing your whole support in this. So fine, for this much only for today. Bye. Take care.
Bye.